Hey everybody, it's Tay, and as you can see from the title of this video, we have an unboxing to do. Guys, Canvasworld was nice enough to reach out to me and was like, hey Tay, we love your aesthetic in your office, we love the aesthetic in your bedroom. If we send you over a print, will you put it up? And of course I said yes. Y'all know this is my office. I love my office so much, and I'm in the process of creating two different sides of my room. I have this side of my room that y'all see right now is kind of like my bracelet side of the room, and then I have another side of my room that's more like toned down in my aesthetic side of the room. So this print is going to go over on the other side of my room. So I want to open it up now, and right off the back, oh, it is a canvas. At first I thought it was just like a piece of paper, but it's actually a canvas, and this is what it looks like, guys. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so cute. Like, it blends in with the back, period. This is super cute, guys. And they gave me some gift cards. I'm going to put down the discount codes for you all to use on your purchase as well, guys. And one thing I like about Canvasworld is that you can pick prints that's already pre-made by them, such as this one right here. Or you can choose to get your own print made, and you can choose your own picture. I chose to get a pre-made print from their website, but if I wanted to, I could have picked a picture of myself, a picture of me and my mom, me and my boyfriend, anybody like that. So that's a good thing that Canvasworld have to offer. And y'all, look at this. This is so cute. So actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to hang it up on this side of my room. So hold on. Y'all, look at this. So cute. Okay, y'all, can y'all see me? So I got my handy dandy hammer, and I got a screw. So honestly, y'all, the print should be like this. So it should be horizontal and not vertical. So it should be a horizontal like this. So I am going to hang it, how about right here? I think hanging it right here will be pretty cute, because it's going to give some like color to the room, okay? So I'm going to put a hammer, put a nail in the wall.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Mama always told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so
Okay guys, so I am now on their website, canvasworld.com, and I'm just showing you all how to get started. As you can see, you can create your own or choose their prints. Guys, they have thousands of options to choose from. They have landscape options, they have portrait options, they have so many different abstract options as well. And I'm just showing you all different price points. Of course, the bigger the piece, the more expensive it'll be, but everything is still very reasonable. And I'm just showing you all the checkout process, and do not forget to use my discount code Pretty Girl Bangles 40 for 40% off. Right here, I'm just showing you all my cart. I'm deleting the old discount code that I was just using, and I'm going to input my discount code, which is Pretty Girl Bangles 40 for 40% off. And guys, they are very reasonable. They ship very fast, and I love the website, so I cannot wait to order more pieces for my home. I would like to say thank you to Canvasworld for sponsoring this quick video, guys. Look at this super cute artwork, and I love how it looks in my room. It matches my room perfectly. So I'm going to leave all the information on the screen for you all to shop, and I'm going to leave it all in the box down below as well. I'm going to give you all a 40% off discount code. Again, you can print your own pictures, or you can print pictures that they provide. I love Canvasworld. I definitely will be ordering more, because if y'all know me, then y'all know I love to hang up decorations around my house. So definitely stay tuned for more videos from Canvasworld, because I'm going to be decorating my entire bedroom. Bye.